As a speaker, there's one question that's top of your mind. And the question is this: how do I get more bookings? How do I get to speak at more events? And whether you're just starting out in your speaking career or you've been doing it for a while, you are wondering, how do I get more gigs? I just took the Transform Your Business workshop with Vanessa these last 2 days, and I have to tell you, it was mind-blowing. It was so transformative. We talked about marketing strategy, we talked about how to get sponsorships, we talked about how to build the systems and the consistency in your business that's going to help you get more events and opportunities to speak at. And Vanessa is incredible. The way she cares so much about each person sitting in her class, and she poured so much into us. And I've been speaking for a little while now, and I got so much out of these 2 days, so much, and I'm so inspired and ready for what's next and to take the business to the next level. So if you're asking that question, you're wondering, how do I get more bookings? How do I speak more? How do I get paid more to do it? Then definitely take Transform Your Business with Vanessa, because it's really going to help you to develop the strategy that you need to grow your business to the next level.